Hey, what's up you guys? This is Sierra, also known as CaliCurls. Welcome back to my channel. I got a bomb package from CurlMix and I'm gonna take you guys through my fall routine, hair routine. Okay, so we know and love CurlMix. They are black owned, couple owned, small owned brand. They hand make the products, vegan, just all around bomb. And I got the WashNGo Lavender collection and it comes with 4 products with 4 steps. We got the clarifying shampoo. Then we got step number 2, the hydrating conditioner. This is the one that you put in the shower while your hair is soaking wet. So now we got step 3, the moisturizing leave-in conditioner. And then step number 4, my favorite product, the flaxseed gel. This product, you guys, it's just the hold on my curls, the shine. There's no flaking or anything. This gel is so bomb. Now this is my first time trying their deep conditioning line. This is the strawberry hibiscus and it comes with a leave-in conditioner and a deep conditioner. Like I said, this is gonna be my first time trying this. I'm excited to try the deep conditioner. I think with the leave-in conditioner, I'm gonna try it next time because I'm already gonna use the lavender collection. Okay, so right now my hair is nice and soaking wet. I am going to go straight in with the shampoo. Okay, I've got 5 more pumps. Just get the back of my hair. It has a lot of slip. I really feel like I could detangle with just a shampoo. This is why I love aloe vera so much, because the slip is just so amazing. Like I really feel like I could detangle with the shampoo. Okay, I'm back from rinsing that shampoo out. I loved the light lather it had and my hair just feels fresh and clean and it doesn't feel like it's gonna, you know when you take your hair after you shampoo it and it feels like, no, like I could literally run my fingers through my hair. So okay, now we're going to get in with the hydrating conditioner. This is step 2. So after I put it in, I'll leave it in for about 3 to 5 minutes. There's a texture shot, creamy. Oh yeah, this is nice and it smells so good. I love the smell. Okay, so then after I had that in there, I'll twist my hair up really quick and do that for the rest of my hair. All right, so I just got done applying the grapeseed conditioner. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it in for about 3 to 4 minutes, get in the shower, rinse that out, and then we can start the deep conditioning process. All right, now let's get into this deep conditioner, strawberry hibiscus. This is gonna be my first time using this. It's a small batch, handmade. So I'm gonna take about 2 pumps per section. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like candy. Oh, that smell is so bomb. Okay, the strawberry hibiscus deep conditioner is in. Plastic bag's on, and now I'm going in with the heat cap. It just produces heat and that's gonna just help penetrate and make sure that product just gets into my hair. By the way, this is the amount of shedding that I had, finger detangling, and I also wanted to show you guys how much I use in one wash. I did not use a lot of product and I have a lot of hair. And I'm very heavy-handed when it comes to using products. I pretty much saturate my hair with products just to make sure every hair is nicely coated. I'm gonna start styling using their Pure Avocado Moisturizer. This is gonna be used as a leave-in. And I'm gonna section my hairs off. A consistency shot. Ooh, nice and creamy and lightweight. I love lightweight products because my hair moves. I love that. Like, products that are too creamy, I only like as deep conditioners because it weighs my hair down and it just feels like too much is on my hair. So lightweight for my hair is everything because I need my curls to move when I shake my head. So I'm going to use their method and I'm not going to use my brush. I'm going to use my fingers and just let my curls clump up like it says on their method. And then I'm also going to diffuse my hair and we'll see how the results will come out. I'm going to go in with the 4th and final step, which is the flaxseed gel. A consistency shot, look at that. Oh, I love that. So I'm going to rake that through my hair and I'm just going to repeat each section all the way around my hair and do the same thing. This is wet. I love that they use fresh ingredients. I mean, you're not gonna get anything better than having fresh ingredients on your hair. Do about 2 pumps of the flaxseed. Oh yes. Okay, so I'm done applying the products to my hair. My curls look so juicy, so moisturized. Okay, so now I'm going to diffuse my hair. Okay, so my hair is completely dry. Like, my hair looks so bomb. The definition is there, the volume is there. I love when my hair looks like this on day 1. It's like it's so coily and so defined. Wow, I love it. My hair looks so good. Okay, so that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this fall hair routine. I will attach all the information down below so that way you can get your hands on these products as well. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.